Hello. Here we can control position of your ear via signals from your brain, electrodes located before our headsets. And I will happy to show you actually how it looks. Currently, this is type on the Kickstarter page. So it's a mask, electrodes located on the forehead and around him. And send the signals already to your make of course signal processing, feature extraction, and send the data already for make some additional functionality for your avatar. So this device already connected to brain computer interface. PiEEG actually it's our small company where produce low-cost brain computer interface. You can measure biodata via Raspberry Pi and STM microelectronics, Arduino, or Jetson Nano. And in this case, we are using this one, BCI device, wearable devices to transmit data via BLE. So, and let me shortly explain how it works. So this one is already our PiEEG server. We have already software that allows us connect directly to VRChat and transmit data from all of these devices. And so let me tell you, yes, so it's our biodata, which one I'm going here. So here we have a lot of some additional settings, but generally, it's not something definitely necessary for users who would like control your avatar, because it's already implemented a lot of functionality from our side. So and so with that, it's much more easy to make conversations. So. And yes, let me return back. Here we have a functionality. It's channels, as I said, power alpha, a lot of different activities that you can do over here. See any channels and adjust it, and control registers for PiEEG, especially which operates Raspberry Pi. And we are going to connect with VRChat. It's over here. So right now we are sent to VRChat information about power and delta, theta, alpha, beta, and gamma from our brains. So let me actually shortly explain what is it. So if it takes our each data floating, and we receive 250 samples per second, but we calculate for 1 second power and make a fast Fourier. So when data finally looks like here in fast Fourier, so it's Hertz, for example, from 150, and here it's amplitude and power. So in our case, it's this something. Okay, in our case, I operate with 8 and 12 Hertz for calculate alpha, and we just calculate this square. And the square we sent already to VRChat. Information about this one, of course, after signal processing, we have a very good signal processing functions. So, and we can send delta, delta, alpha, beta, and gamma. And already use this information to make any activity. So for example, if we open our Avatar Studio, so as you can see, just only we are using here threshold, that allows us already make some activity. If it's power in more, it's moving. If lower, it's stay on the same position. About what is the power in alpha, theta, gamma, or theta. It depends already about our concentration, focus. So you have opportunity find any your choice and provide any additional activity. So it can be tails, ears, it's of course it can be your avatars. And about how it can be done, yes, just want to shortly explain here, but probably if it's necessary, you can ask me and I provide, will make a full video how it was done. It will be much more longer, but it will be step by step. But anyway, it's what we have right now, so you can, without any problem, open our documentation and something like, no, probably just on the VRChat, so and you will see. So it's all necessary information. It's available in our PiEEG server, PiEEG doc, how establish connection with VRChat. And as I said, it's already integrated directly to our software. And yes, but of course you can say that it was done already many times and before, yes, and I know that's already in brainflow. You have opportunity to control some tells, some parts via EEG data, and it was super inspired for us. And but it's just only some parts actually what we are doing here, because as I said, that yes, we have electrodes located inside ear, inside eyes, and so for this reason we detect not just only signals, not just only from brain for stage, for power and alpha about focus and concentration, but the most important is we have opportunities in sort of electrodes around here, so we can have opportunity to transfer also and mimics and emotional stage. If you're angry, so it's also already integrated, and also already integrated in our software. So for example, you can see it's fast trend. I have actually an additional video in our PiEEG YouTube. You can find how it operates. So we can transfer when you open eyes, surprise it, and sad, sorrow, as I said. And finally, it's something that's we are already almost done, but we are in something that's it's almost done, yeah, as I said, but we'll make it also for and VRChat provide and also mimic functionality, not just only so quite complicated control via power in some frequency range. So, and yes, it's probably that's all that I wanted to say here. And yes, it's as I said, yes, the device is in PiEEG XR on the Kickstarter right now. It's we are a very small team, just only me and my co-founder Yusuf. So you can support, you can provide, you can ask, send for us any messages, especially from VRChat community right now. And actually, I made this video for VRChat community because originally this idea actually comes when I have when I tested VRChat, when I knew about that, and I understood that's how it will be cool, provide additional functionality for avatars, and for us it will be great to hear your opinion, guys, and see any questions. And thank you so much for now, and bye.